14 million out of the 19 million Bitcoin out there have not traded in more than 6 months. And you know, we've got a lot more hodlers out there, I think, than people appreciate. Yeah. One of the reasons. And you know, I've said this before, but I think it's so important. You know, Bitcoin, yes, the populist movement, but it is also a new monetary system. It is the first global big idea, private, meaning not oversight by a government, digital, rules-based monetary system. I think it's a profound idea, and more people around the world are beginning to appreciate it as they're seeing their currencies fall apart. Right. With the dollar strong. This hits emerging markets usually. You will find the building blocks of this in our Big Ideas 2022 presentation. It's on our site, ark-invest.com. But the largest component of that is we do believe that Bitcoin will usurp 50% of gold's role. This is digital gold. So that's roughly a $5 trillion opportunity right there. So the smallest one is remittances. We think that it will take most of the remittance market. The remittance market is a $600 billion market. We have insurance policies, high net worth individuals watching, you know, confiscation of wealth. Right. And with all the turmoil in emerging markets and elsewhere, you know, the Middle East, who knew that MBS was going to take his cousin's wealth away? So don't they wish they had some Bitcoin and private keys? So also companies allocating some of their cash or diversifying some of their cash into Bitcoin. We've seen Tesla do that, Coinbase, Square, of course, MicroStrategy. Right. And you're going to see some countries putting Bitcoin into their treasury. Right. We assume only 1%. So if you look at the building blocks and then finally institutional, how much will institutional investors account for this? Well, we assume that institutional investors will put 2.5% of their allocation to Bitcoin. Right. And that isn't even as big as the global digital gold opportunity. And it is the leader of the new asset class. And so I don't think it will be going up immediately because of a breakdown in our economic prospects. And I also think that all of the technology, I'm going to take the other side of this bet, I think the technology revolution, and it's not just blockchain technology, it's genomic sequencing, robotics, energy storage, artificial intelligence, all of them are highly deflationary, and all of them will be very destructive to the traditional world order, but they will present massive opportunities for growth. So I feel as though it's going to feel chaotic like it does now, but I do believe that we're heading into a deflationary world, and it will be very good for some companies. They will boom. You lower prices, you get more demand. But other legacy industries are going to be sitting there with stranded assets. And there's going to be, again, a lot of confusion about what's going on, as there is today. So we shall see.